Forget about running out of battery outside of your house ever. With this charging base, with not one, not two, but four different power banks over here. Each one of this is going to have 5,000 milliamps hour, meaning that it's going to give you really enough, I want to say like a really enough amount of juice for charging your devices outside of your house, like your phone, your tablet, just name it, whatever you want. So this company sent this base to me. I tried it already, and you can see that it comes with all these four power banks. So you can, this can be kind of like your family charging base. So you have for you, for your partner, your wife, your husband, your kids, or whatever. So when you're out of your house, you say, okay, I'm going to take this one today. And it's going to be just as easy as it is. It's USB-C. You connect this one over here, and it's going to be charging right away with this super compact and nice power, which also really compact, as I was saying before. So it's going to give you just the freedom of not having to carry something really, really heavy. And then when you're done, you come back to your house. You put this cap over here if you want, and then you make sure that you make contact right here with this part, and just set it up right there, and you can see that these are all charging with the display with how much battery has left. This is just so good, such a nice idea and such a good thing to have in your office, your home office, like in the entrance of your house or something like that. So you can actually pick up one of these ones when you're leaving your house. But this one, 5,000 milliamp hour each one of this, with the charging case, USB-C cable connected, and a really nice box if you want to make of this one a gift as well. I like them, really convenient, practical to have, and of course they want to work great every single time.